see HD Wi-Fi camera. This one is camera. This is the antenna. This is the battery. Then inside they have light. This is red light coming, blue light coming, not working, red light coming. This is the off on button, and this is reset button. This is reset button, this is off on button, and this is memory. 64 128 GB working. This is HomeEye application. HomeEye HomeEye. Already install have. Go. Here I have this one connecting. Now new device connecting. Go Wi-Fi. Coming YS Wi-Fi. Keep Wi-Fi connecting. Then now without internet. Go HomeEye application. Then go flash icon. Go add friend device. Charge network. So IP already coming cam ID, password, username you give your name, as camera, any. Then this one is scanner, QR code scanner. This one camera, QR code no have. This is QR code no have camera. Then charge network give this one coming. Then sure online coming. Then with voice coming. Hello. Hello. And this one recording. This one take picture. Full screen. This one is full screen. After one setting have this one now without internet. After you put the IP home Wi-Fi, go settings, then go Wi-Fi settings. There coming your room Wi-Fi select, then put password. Your room Wi-Fi which one, put password, then next coming, then 1 2 minute 3 minute wait. After this one online coming, same connecting coming, after coming online.